All right, so what's the #1 way to recruit people and keep them on your team? My name is Ricky Burrows, and I'm going to share this information with you. So watch this video and like it, comment. This is how you get people on your team. You provide content that is so valuable to them that they can relate to it. It's on a personable level to them, to your prospect, and then it makes them feel painful if they walk away from it. Now, there's a lot of information, and here's what I'm talking about. If you know your product, if you know the service, if you know your opportunity, and you know it so well that you can identify your target audience, then you can go out and create content in the form of Facebook Live videos, YouTube videos, blog posts. When you start doing those things, you're getting yourself out there on the internet. And when you get enough people to see who you are, what your beliefs are, and where the vision that you have for your opportunity, your company, whatever niche that you're in, people will gravitate towards your vision. So when you're looking out, 2 years ahead, 6 months to 2 years to 5 years ahead, then people are going to find that very attractive. They don't want to be with somebody who's joining one thing and then quitting, and then joining another thing and quitting. You don't want to be doing those things. You want to be solid in one company and become incredibly good at just one strategy. And when you start getting into it, it's going to be nerve-wracking. You're going to feel a little nauseous at first. It's normal, because people, when they step out of their comfort zone and then they start recruiting people, it's going to be something that's out of the normal. So when you get into that, just focus on one particular strategy that actually works and create more content. Visualize it, create content, and then get it out there. Get it in front of as many people as you can. Only target the people who are looking for it, though. So if you have like a blog post, you can certainly put it in a Facebook group that actually is looking for you. Hey, Shumila, that's a woman you definitely want to be following right there. Shumila, that girl is awesome. She's part of our group. She's part of our team. But yeah, if you are looking to recruit people, you have to create content that is so valuable that they would have to be crazy not to follow you or to join your opportunity. So in order to do that, just get out there. So if you have any more questions, you have any more interests, you want to learn more about how to attract people rather than chase people and beg people, go ahead and connect with me, and let's have a conversation about that. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you, Shumila, for jumping on this, and I'll see you later.